The CP05. It is a dongle for wireless CarPlay, iOS and Android. An infotainment system is required on model cars. We have a USB port. We're going to unplug our USB-A cable and plug in the dongle. We're going to open up the box and show you how nicely presented it is to you with the instruction guide and the dongle. Nice size in silver, and the cable. With the mini lanyard strap. A USB to USB-A cable to plug in. It is a sleek design. It has a door cover that's removable for the USB-A port. Plug into the area. Plug into the area and turn on the car. As we start our car, waiting for Bluetooth connection. CP05. Pair. Allow. Connect to CarPlay. And our screen has come up with information. Connect. And we're ready to go. Wireless play. We have our phone, music, map, messages, audiobook, podcasts, the car, what's playing, news, calendar, settings, Audacity, and more. If we wanted to listen to a show or music through and we are able to see the show. We have our music to choose, news to pick, and use Siri.
It's currently cloudy and 73 degrees. Expect clear skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 73 to 64 degrees.
In the upper left-hand corner, we have the hole so we can basically thread. If our car did not accept USB-A and we have a computer, we can do USB-C. Your CarPlay adapter. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.